Benchmark review. Today is November 4th, Wednesday. All right, so again, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then whatever two pairs of angles I give you are congruent. I'm going to erase them on the board from teaching high school. Not teaching adults or anything, and adults will be like, oh my god. Young people are like, I don't even know what that is. And whatever. That's fine. All right, number seven. Can someone say, how do you know if three numbers form a triangle? Oh, say your name so you can be famous. Boom, done. All right, say it again.
If two of the smaller sides greater than the biggest.
That is together. Right. If the sum, if you're saying it math talk, if the sum, the answer to an addition problem, the sum of the two smaller sides of a triangle are greater than these two guys, are greater than the larger side, then it forms a triangle. Basically, if you have two little brothers, you add them together, if their ages equal something larger than the oldest brother, then they make a triangle. You just have to talk about triangles. So in this case, I can tell 6 plus 15 happens to be 21. Therefore, this rabbit could fit in there. There's a little trick part, though. Checking on the answer key, they make a fuss about the fact that because the numbers are just barely bigger than 21, the rabbit will be in a triangle, but it'll be kind of like trapped because it's not like really wide. It's like barely making it around. But I'm not gonna make a fuss about that. So there. Number 13, your boss asks you to buy a second flagpole for the state flag that hangs outside your office building. You want to find the height of the current flagpole so that you can buy an identical flagpole. You decide to use a flat mirror, like point M, which we can do in class. We do have mirrors for that. We're supposed to put it on the ground, but I didn't. And measure out the distance from the flagpole to the mirror and from the mirror to you. That is the mirror there. Erica's there. I'm here. We're looking at the mirror, both of us. How far am I from the mirror? How far is he from the mirror? That's the bottom part. Our heights will be like that in the angle. So we basically make two triangles looking at this mirror with that green thing on the floor. All the measurements are drawn in the all the measurements are drawn in the diagram. Question A: are these two triangles similar? Oh, explain how you know and state the similarity condition. That is that AASS. So essentially, now find. Oh, I see. Okay. So basically, we're going to use a picture data in B to answer A and get the answer for B in B. So let's see if I can get a little bit of B. Anybody know if these two triangles are similar? What's the thing? The
side.
Your choices are double A, two angles match, triple S, three sides match, or a side, an angle, and a side. They work out together. So which of the three you were saying?
Side.
The middle guy? Why do you keep saying only two?
Because he said you can choose side too.
No, he's not one of them. No, these are your only three choices. That's a fake one in that novel. Yeah. Something mark on here. I wonder how they know. Well, I'll say it this way. I know for sure we got these two angles. Oh, dang it! I can't believe I just did that. These two angles match. We know from our vertical angles automatically those two guys in the middle match. Guess what? That's all I need. The minute for similarity, not for congruency. For congruency you need more, but for similarity, if I get two angles that match, booyah. Now what am I going to write over here? Let me write something to see. Similarity condition. No, it just says yes. I'll say yes. Because of AA. Because. I know. I'm going to try. Hey, do me a favor. Go out by Bonnie Shroom. You're going to see the numbers on the thing. Click now. Two numbers lower than the actual number on there will get us the new degree. Bottom section, two colors. Let's say green and green, red to red. Christmas colors, unless you don't celebrate Christmas. Green to green. You know, actually, you can do green to red and green to red. I'm going to do green to green and red to red, but technically you do the other way. So I'm going to do two setups. The one that we learned, which is 6 to H, green to green, equals red 9 to 27. 9 to 27. Okay, from there, of course, you'll cross multiply and divide. If you ever get this thing called a proportion, just in case you become good at it and you don't want to do all the steps, it will always be multiply the two numbers across from each other, divide by the last guy. Multiply the two, divide by the last guy will always get you the answer. The other setup for it, and then I'm going to get the answer on it, is green to red, 6 over 9, green to red, 6 over 9.
How'd you get 12?
12, 7, 27, where is it? Where is it? Alright, 12. I wonder if that's going to be the answer. Maybe I know the answer and I'm saying it before. 6 to 9 and H to 27. H to 27. Hey, somebody with a calculator, any calculators out there? Someone do 27 times 6 divided by 9, please. For those who need to see the steps here, they come. Someone do, tell me what 27 times 6 is. 9H. And you're at 30, 42. Say it again?
Wait, 27 times 6?
Yeah, do that part for me so I can have
162.
162. And then we'll divide 9 on both sides to give us. Is it going to be a decimal? That's weird.
18.
Is it 18?
Oh,
An 18. All right.
I have no idea how.
Now on this side here, I did green to red. Green to red, it should give us the same thing. Notice this. Watch this. The 6 and 27 are still connected. They're still partners. They're in different places, granted. You know, they're in different places, but again, 627. Multiply the two numbers that are connected and divide by the last guy.
No, I did.
What'd you do?
And I got the same answer.
What'd you do?
I multiplied 9 by 3, not 27. I multiplied 6 by 3, not 18.
Right, you can do that with fractions. Noticing that. What do I need to do to not turn to 27? It works if it goes in evenly, the numbers are off, and it's a little tricky to do, but you can do it that way. 17, this is it, grand finale. Hey, Jimmy's building a handicap ramp for a movie theater. The ramp will go up 3 feet, but Jimmy needs to figure out how long the ramp will need to be at the angle between the ground and the ramp is 10. I'll let this one go, okay? Let it go. I'm going to do some, but let it go. All right, let's see. Draw a diagram of the scenario and label all relevant information, including given dimensions and angles. B, find the length of the ramp to satisfy the building code, provide correct units. Yeah, you got to let one go for sure, but I mean, for those who know how to do it, it's not a big deal. You draw a triangle. Okay, there's the ramp. Let's see, the degree is a 10-degree ramp. The ground says the ramp will go up 3 feet, so from here is 3 feet.
Is it the 3, 4, 5 thing?
Actually, yeah, I guess, no, I don't know. It should, I don't know, because it's 10. Without the 10, I say it automatically. Also, again, the steps are going to be a 90-degree angle. They don't mention it. So, what do I want to find out? How long is the ramp? Let's see. Find the length of the ramp. In other words, find out the hypotenuse of this right triangle. But again, for those who are like, if you're writing this, you can, but you're not going to get this. I'd be surprised if you got it in this short time, because it's a sine cosine thing. In any case, tick, 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 tick. They give me the opposite side. That's opposite. So let's do opposite. Oh yeah, that'd been good. That'd been good. They give me the opposite side and the hypotenuse. If I had I really shouldn't say it that way. Someone could be offended. I had this one guy. He was gonna at 18. He started getting money because he belonged to a particular group. So I don't know if he actually finished. Same as Fabian. He did like a tattoo work. So in this one, you just look and see what letters they gave you. They gave me the A, the O, and the H. So I'm going to use this guy here. You guys do the whole thing, which is why this one's like a. Here's my kid, like, hey Billy. I don't even have a kid named Billy, but if I name Billy, dude, don't even worry about 17. Get up to 16, you're good. But here it comes. To do this one, I'm going to do sine. Let's do a bit higher. Sine of 10. You can watch it, but you know, I just feel like it's way too much. Sine of 10 equals O on the top, H on the bottom. O is a 3. H is a question mark, so we'll make it an X, so, or a question mark, so someone can be confused.
Cosmos.
Yeah.
Isn't it 10 over 1?
Yeah, you can put the whole thing over it. Now I'm going to crisscross. I'm going to multiply. Just watch it and see what you think. So that. I wish I could make that question mark an X so some student could be better with that. Here it comes. Let me cross multiply in green. This, some of you are starting to see like, yeah, I'm not going to be doing this one. But I'm going to finish anyway. All right, my time is up. Sine 10 equals 1 times 3, which is a 3. I'm going to divide sine 10 on the bottom. Question mark is going to equal whatever 3 divided by sine 10 equals. At this point, I'm asking someone with a calculator to go 3 divided by parentheses. Oh, you guys don't have the blue guys. 3 parentheses divided by